Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to master 1x1x1x1 in Roblox Forsaken. Okay, this killer right here comes with 4 abilities. First is Unstoppable Eye, which is by pressing R, that reveals all survivors and gives you a speed boost. Use this to locate targets early or cut off loops. Next one is the Enlightenment by pressing E, which throws 2 swords that stun survivors and give you even more speed. This is your best opener to lock someone down. Then there's Mass Infection, which is by pressing Q, which sends out a huge shockwave. Up close, it deals big damage. At range, it poisons and glitches survivors as well. So save this for crowded fights or when you've trapped someone. Finally, we have the Rejuvenate the Rotten, okay, which is by pressing T. This one spawns zombies that chase survivors. They create chaos, and if you kill them, you gain a speed boost, which is perfect for late game pressure. Now the key here is chaining these together. Start with Unstoppable Eye to spot survivors, then throw Entanglement to lock them down, and follow up with Mass Infection for heavy damage. If it's late game, drop your zombies to force survivors into mistakes. Position yourself in choke points and always predict movements instead of spamming attacks. A clean combo makes survivors panic and guarantees downs. Now keep in mind that 1x1x1 isn't the fastest killer, so map awareness is everything. Use high ground to land projectiles easier, and time your Mass Infection when survivors are busy on objectives, okay? Don't forget, your zombies aren't just distractions. They're tools for speed boost and extra pressure. That is it. That's how you master the 1x1x1x1 in Forsaken. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.